Hello, I'm Emmanuelle Andaya and I'm from the Philippines, and I work in the field of sustainable forest management, and I work a lot with indigenous and upland communities in Southeast Asia. And this laboratory became interesting for me. Although I'm not working directly in human rights activism, rights of the upland communities that I work with is intertwined with the work that we do that is focused on sustainable livelihoods. So having their rights to the land and to the resources to use as a way to live for the communities and as a way for them to continue their culture and traditions. So when I saw the call, I realized that I was already using humor in my work with communities, and as a culture, it's also something that for us is very prevalent. We Filipinos love to laugh, and it's a way to create community. And I did realize that I was using it as a way to engage with the communities I work with. And I wanted to see how to use it more intentionally, and like to see that there is a a process of using it, and not just like like something that comes naturally. And if it can help achieve something more than just as a way to engage the audience, then I think it would be more helpful, and see how to use it intentionally. And it was interesting in the workshop yesterday that one of the participants, Lucas, mentioned about the verticalization for him in a physical way. So he mentioned about working with sick children who are in a horizontal way, and how he uses his body to connect, and the term he used was the verticalization. And I realized that my work with the community, when I start communicating with them, but like making it in a playful or laughing way, it was also for me coming from the outside and coming from like a NGO support organization, as somebody coming from another level. But with this, with humor, we are able to all come like level off, and that we are all the same. And it was also mentioned today that we are all human. So the human part of humor like makes us all in the same level, and so it's easier for us to communicate to each other. So it's interesting for me to see humor in a more intentional way than just, I don't know how to say it, but yeah, so I think that's helpful. And for organizations like me, if there are any processes that would help us tap into this tool to achieve our goals as an organization, I think this workshop is really useful. So.